Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a world where luxury meets the open road. Today, we embark on a journey through the most exceptional and innovative mobile homes and motorhomes that money can buy. These marvels of engineering and design promise to elevate your travel experiences, combining cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort and style. First up, the Tesla semi-truck motorhome, a green giant powered by electric might, silently transporting you wherever your wanderlust desires. With solar panels harnessing the sun's energy, you can embrace off-grid living in eco-friendly style. Imagine waking up to the sound of nature, surrounded by the serenity of the great outdoors, without leaving a trace on the planet. At $180,000, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement about the future of transportation and a testament to human ingenuity. Next, the Romatau prototype, an engineering marvel that unfolds into a spacious deck and inviting interior. With an elegant design blending modern and classic elements, it's a luxurious symphony on wheels for $350,000. Step inside, and you'll discover a world of comfort and sophistication, where every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure your utmost satisfaction. From the state-of-the-art kitchen to the cozy bedrooms, this mobile home promises to be your ultimate sanctuary on the road. Imagine the Eco Capsule, an egg-shaped abode powered by the sun and wind. This micro-home collects rainwater, filters it for use, and harnesses energy from nature. Starting from €99,900, it's a versatile, functional testament to green technology. With its compact design and self-sustaining capabilities, the Eco Capsule offers a unique opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of city life while embracing a sustainable lifestyle. For the fearless explorer, the Crawler O-Tag 620, a riveted aluminum monument to endurance and comfort, priced at €156,167. Personalize your space with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and solar panels for all your gear. Built to withstand the toughest terrains, this expeditionary companion will carry you through the most remote and rugged landscapes, ensuring that no adventure is too great to conquer. Prepare to be awestruck by the Morello Grand Empire 26T, a palace on wheels powered by a Mercedes-Benz Actros 1853L chassis. With ergonomic lounge chairs and a garage for a Mini Cooper, it's a self-sufficient luxury vessel priced between €600,000 and €650,000. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world of opulence, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to cater to your every whim. From the sumptuous living quarters to the state-of-the-art amenities, this motorhome is a true embodiment of luxury on the move. Experience the Adriasonic Supreme, a revolutionary motorhome redefining travel at €110,500. Its loft-style interior, panoramic window, and intelligent design create a harmonious, comfortable oasis on wheels. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of sophistication, where every inch has been thoughtfully designed to ensure your utmost comfort and convenience. From the luxurious mattresses to the organized storage spaces, this mobile retreat promises to be your home away from home. Imagine a mobile fortress, the tailor-made tour truck, a double-decker behemoth where players can have their clubs customized. This VIP truck is a true marvel, with a vast interior housing thousands of shafts, golf balls, and grips. But it's not just about the equipment, it's about the experience. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world where precision and performance reign supreme, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to help you elevate your game. Hidden away in a compact 3.5-foot shape, the Hitch Hotel is a clever, minimalist traveler's fantasy that unfolds into a comfortable refuge for two adults. At $4,499, it's an investment in wonderful memories. Imagine setting up camp in the most picturesque locations, surrounded by nature's beauty, and waking up to breathtaking views without sacrificing comfort or convenience. This ingenious capsule is a true testament to the power of innovative design. Blending nature and remote work, the innovative Nomad Pro Canter is a mobile office that transforms into a homey retreat with a retractable bed, kitchenette, and bamboo deck, bringing the outdoors in. In today's fast-paced world, where the lines between work and play are often blurred, this unique concept offers a seamless fusion of productivity and relaxation. allowing you to embrace the digital nomad lifestyle without compromising on comfort or connectivity. For the discriminating nomad, the Hymer Venture S is a match made in heaven. Priced at around $225,000, it boasts an inflatable roof, sporty appearance, and a lavish two-story interior with ambient lighting and app control. With its innovative design and cutting-edge features, this motorhome promises to elevate your travel experiences to new heights, combining luxury with off-road capability and modern conveniences. The Airstream eStream concept represents the future of sustainable travel trailers. This 22-foot marvel self-propels using electric motors, harnesses solar energy, and tucks into campsites by remote control. Imagine embarking on adventures without leaving a carbon footprint, exploring the great outdoors while embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle. This concept trailer is a testament to the power of innovation and a glimpse into the future of sustainable travel. Immerse yourself in surround sound aboard the Marathon Coach 1379. With a Crestron audio system and Girard automatic awning. Priced at $2,839,063, it's an investment in a way of life that changes how we view travel. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world of luxury and indulgence, where every detail has been carefully curated to ensure your utmost comfort and enjoyment. From the state-of-the-art audio system to the plush interiors, this coach promises to elevate your travel experiences to new heights. For adventurers valuing comfort and capability, the Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T is the ultimate all-terrain RV. With a price tag of 10.88 million yuan, it boasts 4 axles, 2 kitchens, 3 refrigerators, and a solar panel array, combining luxury and eco-friendly off-road performance. Imagine conquering the most rugged landscapes while enjoying the comforts of a home on wheels, where every amenity has been thoughtfully designed to cater to your every need. Introducing the innovative IoCamper truck, an expandable camper that transforms a pickup truck into a spacious RV. With the full model boasting a double bed, kitchen, bathroom, and ample storage, it's a worthwhile investment for any adventurer seeking the ultimate in mobile living. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or exploring the great outdoors, this versatile camper promises to be your home away from home, offering the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and adventure. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a newcomer, these exceptional vehicles promise to take your journeys to new heights, blending luxury, comfort, and sustainability in ways you never thought possible. So embrace your wanderlust and let these remarkable machines guide you on the adventure of a lifetime. Get ready to experience the world like never before, with every journey promising to be an unforgettable tale of luxury, innovation, and exploration. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exceptional content. Safe travels, fellow nomads, and may the open road fill your hearts with wonder and your souls with unforgettable memories.